Hi, it's Dr. Gina, Results Queen. Why is follow up so hard in new business development? I think there's a couple of reasons. One is because we may not know how to do it. Two is that we find lots of ways not to because we're so busy. Or three, we're afraid that we might be pushy, salesy, or aggressive. And yet, all those people that we don't follow up with are actual potential clients that we could be working with and that we could be helping. So, how is your follow up system working for you? If you find that your follow up system is not working for you, then I'm going to suggest that you develop your follow up system. And that might look like something of putting a time period in your calendar, either every day or one day a week, in order to follow up and to also pre plan what you want to say to the person. I also find that when you use their language, meaning you told me that this was important to you, is it still important? And let's get started, meaning asking for the business. So if you don't have a good follow up system in place, then I'm going to suggest that you do. And I'm also going to suggest that you stop making follow up difficult by telling yourself that follow up is easy because the more that we follow up, the more likely we will be able to close a client. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. And if you have a topic you want me to talk about or a question you want to ask me, feel free to email me at jean@getmoreresults.com. And if you need help with developing a follow up system or just follow up in general, feel free to click on the link in the captions or in the email and schedule a free, no obligation coaching call. We'll be happy to help you. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results.